In this video, I will show you how to fix Minecraft error code creaking with the message, "We could not sign you into your Microsoft account," or "failed to log in on Windows PC." Let's go ahead and start with the fixes. Step 1. Sync date, time, and region settings. Right-click on the date and time at the bottom right corner of your screen. Select Adjust Date and Time. Turn on Set Time Automatically. Turn on Set Time Zone Automatically. Scroll down and click Sync Now. Now go to Time and Language. Open Language and Region. Make sure the correct country or region is selected. Open Microsoft Store and check if the error is fixed. Step 2. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Type WS Reset in Windows Search. Open WS Reset. Wait for the process to finish. Microsoft Store will automatically reopen. Now try installing the app or game again. Step 3. Repair and reset Microsoft Store. Type Microsoft Store in Windows Search. Right-click Microsoft Store and select App Settings. Click Terminate. Click Repair. Once the repair is complete, check the store. If the issue continues, click Reset. Wait for the reset process to complete and check again. Step 4. Delete Microsoft Store local cache. Open File Explorer. Go to C Drive. Open Users. Open your user profile folder. Open App Data. If app data is hidden, click View, then Show and enable hidden items. Open Local. Open Packages. Locate the Microsoft.Windows Store folder. Open the folder and find Local Cache. Delete the contents inside Local Cache. Restart Microsoft Store and check again. Step 5. Start required Microsoft Store services. Type Services in Windows Search. Open Services. Find Microsoft Store Install Service. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply and Start. Click OK. Now find Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant. Set it to Automatic. Click Apply and Start. Click OK. Restart Microsoft Store and check again. Step 6. Restart Windows Update and Bits Services. In the Services window, find Windows Update. Set it to Automatic. Start the service if it is stopped. Right-click and select Restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Set it to Automatic. Restart the service. Do the same for Microsoft Store Install Service. Check if the installation works. Step 7. Re-register Microsoft Store. If the issue is still not fixed, the next step is to re-register Microsoft Store. Type PowerShell in the Windows search box. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to allow. Now copy the following command from the video description, paste it into the PowerShell window, and then press Enter. Get-AppxPackage, AllUsers Foreach, Add-AppxPackage, DisableDevelopmentMode, register $$_.InstallLocation, \AppXManifest.xml. This process may take a few minutes to complete. During the process, you may see several red error messages. This is completely normal, so simply ignore those errors and let the command finish. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. After the restart, open Microsoft Store and check if you're able to install the application or game. Step 8. Reset network components. If the issue still persists, reset your network settings. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Now run the following commands one by one. IP protocol configuration /flushdns. IP protocol configuration /release. IP protocol configuration /renew. Netch WinSock reset. Netch and IP reset. After running all the commands successfully, restart your computer. Once Windows starts again, launch Microsoft Store and check if the problem has been resolved. Step 9. Try a different network or install from library. If the problem continues, try switching to another internet connection. You can connect to a different Wi-Fi network, use your phone's hotspot, or use an Ethernet cable if available. If that does not work, open Microsoft Store. Make sure you're signed in with the Microsoft account that owns the app or game. Click Library in the bottom left corner. If you see the application or game in your library, click Install and then check. Step 10. Uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. If Microsoft Store is still not working, reinstall it. Open PowerShell as Administrator. Run the following command to uninstall Microsoft Store. Get-AppxPackage, AllUsers Windows Store remove AppxPackage. Once the command finishes, run the following command to reinstall Microsoft Store. Get-AppxPackage, AllUsers Windows Store Foreach, Add-AppxPackage, DisableDevelopmentMode, register $$_.InstallLocation, \AppXManifest.xml. Wait for the process to complete. Restart your PC and check Microsoft Store again. Step 11. Update Microsoft Store and repair Windows files. Open Microsoft Store. Click Library. Click Get Updates and install all available Microsoft Store updates. Now open Command Prompt as administrator. Run the following command. sfc/scan now. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. Next, run the following command. dsm/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Once both scans are complete, restart your computer and check again. Step 12. Enable TLS settings. Type inecpl.cpl in Windows Search and open it. Go to the Advanced tab. Scroll down and make sure TLS 1.0, TLS 1.1, TLS 1.2, and TLS 1.3 are all enabled. Click Apply, then click OK. Restart Microsoft Store and check again. Step 13. Update Windows. Open Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Install all available updates. Restart your computer after the updates finish installing. Step 14. Use Xbox app for game installation. If you are trying to install a game, install and open the Xbox app. Sign in using the same Microsoft account that you use in Microsoft Store. Try installing the game through the Xbox app. If it still doesn't work, click your profile icon, select Support, open Gaming Services Repair Tool, click Start Repairing, and wait for the repair to complete. Step 15. Install Xbox Identity Provider and Gaming Services. Open Microsoft Store and install or update Xbox Identity Provider. Next, open PowerShell as administrator. Run the following command to uninstall gaming services. Get-AppxPackage Microsoft.Gaming Services remove AppxPackage, AllUsers. After that, run the following command. Start MS Windows Store, //pdp/ producted equals 9mwpm2cqnlhn. Microsoft Store will open automatically. Click Get or Install to install gaming services. After the installation is complete, restart your computer. Step 16. Start Xbox and Gaming Services. Open Services. Make sure all Xbox services, gaming services, Microsoft Store install service, Windows Update, and IP Helper are set to automatic and are running. Restart any service that is stopped. Step 17. Repair Windows using Windows Update. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update, then Advanced Options, and select Recovery. Choose Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click Reinstall now. This process will reinstall Windows while keeping your apps, files, and settings. Step 18. Upgrade Windows using the Media Creation tool. If nothing else works, download the latest Windows Media Creation tool from Microsoft's official website. Run the tool and choose to upgrade this PC. Make sure Keep Personal Files and Apps is selected. Complete the installation. Once Windows starts again, open Microsoft Store and try installing the app or game. Step 19. Sign out and sign back into Microsoft Store. Sign out of Microsoft Store and sign back in. Open Microsoft Store. Click on your profile icon. Select Sign Out. Close Microsoft Store completely. Restart your computer. Now open Microsoft Store again and sign in using the same Microsoft account. After signing in, try installing the application or game again. Step 20. Create a new Windows user account. If the problem continues, your current Windows profile may be corrupted. Open Windows Settings. Go to Accounts. Select Other Users. Click Add Account. Create a new local account or Microsoft account. Sign in to the new account. Open Microsoft Store and check if the installation works. Step 21. Check available storage space. Low disk space can also prevent Microsoft Store from installing apps. Open File Explorer. Click this PC. Make sure the drive where you're installing the app has enough free space. If storage is low, delete unnecessary files or run disk cleanup. Then try installing the application again. Step 22. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, temporarily disable it. Type Internet Options in Windows Search. Open Internet Properties. Go to the Connections tab. Click LAN Settings. Make sure Use a Proxy Server is turned off. Click OK, restart Microsoft Store, and check again. Step 23. Temporarily disable antivirus. Some third-party antivirus programs can block Microsoft Store downloads. Temporarily disable your antivirus software. If you're using a third-party firewall, disable it for a few minutes as well. Now try installing the app or game. If the installation succeeds, add Microsoft Store to your antivirus exclusions. Step 24. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Open Windows Settings. Go to System. Select Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Store Apps. Click Run. Allow Windows to detect and fix any problems automatically. Restart your computer after the troubleshooting process is complete. Step 25. Clear temporary files. Press Windows+R. Type %temp% and press Enter. Delete all the files inside the folder. Skip any files that cannot be deleted. Open Run again. Type temp and press Enter. Delete those temporary files as well. Restart your computer. Step 26. Check Microsoft Store settings. Open Microsoft Store. Click your profile icon. Open Settings. Make sure there are no download restrictions enabled. If offline permissions are available, make sure they are enabled. Then try downloading the app again. Step 27. Reset network settings again. If the problem still persists, reset the network configuration one more time. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run the following commands. netch winsock reset. netch in IP reset. IP protocol configuration /flushdns. Restart your computer after the commands complete. Now launch Microsoft Store and check again. Step 28. Verify your Microsoft account license. Open Microsoft Store. Go to Library. Click Get Updates. Wait for Microsoft Store to synchronize your licenses. If the application or game was purchased, make sure you're signed in with the Microsoft account that owns the license. Step 29. Check Microsoft server status. Sometimes the problem is on Microsoft servers. If Microsoft Store services are temporarily unavailable, installations may fail. Wait for some time and then try again later. Step 30. Perform a clean boot. If none of the previous methods worked, perform a clean boot. Type msconfig in Windows Search and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable all. Next, go to the Startup tab. Click Open Task Manager. Disable all startup applications. Restart your computer. After Windows starts, open Microsoft Store and try installing the application or game again. Extra tips. Repair and reset Minecraft. Most important step. Open the Start menu. Type Minecraft. Locate the version you are using, either Minecraft Java Edition or the standard Minecraft app. Right-click the game and select App Settings. Scroll down and click Terminate to fully close the game. After that, click Repair and wait for the process to finish. Once repair is complete, click Reset, then confirm Reset again. Wait until the reset finishes, then close the window. Now test the game. If the issue continues, proceed to the next method. Method 2. Enable Windows Gaming and GPU Optimization. Open the Start menu and type Graphics Settings. Open it. Make sure Windows Game Optimizations is turned on. Click Advanced Graphics Settings. Enable Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Scroll down to Add an App and choose Microsoft Store App. Select your Minecraft version and click Add. When Minecraft appears in the list, click Options. Select High Performance and click Save. Restart your computer after this step. Method 3. Update your graphics driver. Outdated GPU drivers are one of the most common causes of Minecraft crashes. Right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Install any available updates and restart your PC. Method 4. Disable full screen optimizations. Open the Minecraft installation folder. Right-click minecraftlauncher.exe. Select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Method 5. Close background overlays. Some background apps can conflict with Minecraft. Before launching the game, close Discord overlay, Xbox Game Bar, MSI Afterburner, NVIDIA Shadow Play. You can also press Ctrl+Shift+Escape, open Task Manager, and end unnecessary background processes. Method 6. Run Minecraft as administrator. Right-click the Minecraft launcher. Select Run as administrator. If this fixes the issue, open Properties Compatibility and permanently enable Run this program as an administrator. Final step. Restart and test. After completing all methods, restart your PC and launch Minecraft again. Hopefully one of these solutions fixes Minecraft Error Code Creaking and allows you to sign into your Microsoft account successfully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.
I want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak